trying to make a grip. We catching dips, ain't no catching feelings. We gon' sell the rip, stick to the script like a blood or crip. Catching dips, ain't no catching feelings. We gon' sell the rip, stick to the script like a blood or crip. Trying to make a grip, watch it flip like an acrobat. Stack up all these pips. Is it Forex? Maybe options. Pay with crypto for this whip. Make them clean, watch me hit the gas. Get up off my ass, I'ma smash. You can't catch me 220 on the dash. I ain't scared, I'ma get this bread. Get up out your head, all talk with no action. You can take it up with Ted. Crown chakra, I've been going harder. Crypto over dollar, it's your partner. Always kept it real, like a Navy SEAL. When the shit get deep, keep my mouth closed, never squeal. Making moves like I'm playing chess. Gotta pay these bills, fuck the streets. It's too many other ways to eat. Like investing in yourself or putting some lyrics on the beat. Still gon' keep it street, even though I ain't in them. Gotta watch out for these snakes, tryna hit you with the venom. Haters sour just like lemon. Keep a bankroll in my denim. Yeah, your boy, he used to send them, but I had to switch it up before I self-destruct. Reflected on my life and my vibrations, had to raise them up. I was messing up, take a man to admit. I've been stacking up this crypto, going hard like armadillo. Crypto face be smashing Rari with one hand up out the window. Buy low, call it limbo. Sell high like the pros do. If you in the green, take the profit you supposed to. Bitcoin to 100 racks, one day it's gon' manifest. Up and down, man, but at least it's making some progress. Shout out to the traders, it ain't easy, but you make it work. Billionaires in the making, don't forget I said it first. Gasoline on the verse, eating the beat like a dessert. Market crash, I know it hurt. So much blood, my vision blurred. Gasoline on the verse, eating the beat like a dessert. Market crash, I know it hurt. So much blood, my vision blurred. Catching dips, ain't no catching feelings. We gon' sell the rip, stick to the script like a blood or crip. Trying to make a grip. We catching dips, ain't no catching feelings. We gon' sell the rip, stick to the script like a blood or crip. Catching dips, ain't no catching feelings. We gon' sell the rip, stick to the script like a blood or crip. Trying to make a grip, watch it flip like an acrobat. Stack up all these pips. Is it Forex? Maybe options. Pay with crypto for this whip, 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 for this whip.
Sip vitamin water gutsy and nourish every going for it you. Whoops, never mind you. Shameless you. Extra cautious you. No risk, no reward you. Vitamin water, nourish every you. Vitamin water is a registered trademark of Lysol.
This is your mind in the middle of a regular old workday. And this is your mind during the MVP haircut experience, only at Sport Clips. The most relaxing haircut ever.
Been making these songs for all the traders, the ones that be up late. Get straight to the money from Sunday through Monday, but don't be no cheapskate. Invest in yourself and do not regret it. The real ones don't play safe. We don't. Yeah, we taking chances, taking advances, merging like proof of stake. Ethereum, been ballin' for real, without a deal. This ain't nothing new to me. Nah, I came up in Memphis, then went international. Yeah, they start choosing me. Chose up. They calling me daddy, was pushing the caddy. At one time felt cool to me. Yeah, I switched up my ways and now I'm awakened. No judge would be ruling me. Fuck that, can't go back to jail. No way, shit now. I'm legal as hell. Okay, you dig? Invested in crypto and bought me some stocks. Getting paid on a rainy day. I'm spiritual, got me some quartz crystal. I'm saging my space for peace. They thinking I'm crazy now. Why? Cause I'm talking differently. Damn, and eating these living foods. Yeah, when vegan for various reasons. Yeah, you say that you need the meat. They eat it without the seasons. I'm facing my demons, they running away. Courageous like Mike Perry, the champ. I guess I'm a threat. With him on my demons, be happy and don't worry. Yeah, it's time to get paid, it's time to get rich. Pockets on swole now. Say my affirmations and do meditation. Yeah, I'm on a road now. Surrounding myself with nothing but winners, no negative tendencies. Nah, my vibes stay higher like Wayne Dyer. Level myself until I retire. Then been through the hell, went straight through the fire. Came out the fire, now I'm shining brighter. I'm a creator, but I am not Tyler. Feeling like Rocky, the eye of the tiger. Been shit on these tracks, ooh, I might need a diaper. Cut out the junk food, I ate some more fiber. This one for you, man, if you a subscriber. If it's crypto hop, I am your supplier. Make some out of nothing, just like a MacGyver. Knowledge of self, yeah, I am a deep diver. Everything measured, man, ain't nothing minor. You either 100 hunter or extra shyster. Ain't no in between, you can't go about it. Tell me who's solid and show me who real. I probably can count them on one of my hands. As life goes on, the rig get reveal. I ain't got no chill, yin and yang, my life in duality. Ooh, let's keep it moving and keep.
Okay, jeez, Lord have mercy. Technical difficulties. Testing 1, 2. Is it even going? We lost everyone. We lost everyone. Yeah. Man, I tell you, you know, we actually don't have much time. We don't have much time. Because I have prior engagements, but I wanted to hop on and get a little quick analysis, paralysis, popped it in, locked it in, went wiped my ass in. Wow! A little shake and bake, a little flop, a little grope. Where's the Pope? We're turning in. We're going Muslim now on a violent crusade. Turn the music down here. Get into it. We get into it a little bit. Man, so after, jeez. Hang on a second. Okay. So, yesterday, Monday, man, we had the Sig Sauer. The Sig Sauer coming up, knocked down by the Head and Shoulders. Price dipped a little bit. And, man, I've been eyeing this curve. Money flow steady coming up. I kind of wanted to see what it was going to do. And it was still looking good. You know, there's been the negative news. It's been out there. The price where it was. And we've seen this happen. We've seen it happen. It comes down. It formed a higher high or a higher low. A higher low. We got our trigger wave to the anchor wave. Money flow increased. Pulled the trigger. Didn't even have time to wipe my ass. On the 12-hour, also, same thing, for the most part. VWAP didn't get super suppressed, and I'll tell you, this, what I liked about this VWAP wave is it was not outwardly curved. It was slightly, there is a slight indent. Which, if you don't know, is obviously weaker. Obviously, if it's indented, it's more likely to be a circle of circular shape rather than out-ended, which would be, you know, circular downside that's indented. So where do we go from here? Well, look at the daily. Look at the data. Look at the data on the daily. Just look at the data. Still a long way to go, obviously, everywhere. Not saying this is the bottom, but hey now. That dual band strength index 16 to the -5 on the 3-day. Who gives a shit about the 3-day? We do now. I tell you what, we do now. We do. We found the bottom forever. Folks, we had a $500 move. Bottom forever. I was wrong about the 64K top forever. I'm a changed man. It's bottom forever. What time is it? All right, we don't have much time. I have to leave here in like 30 minutes or so. It'll go by fast. But what day is it today? Monday, Tuesday. Four-hour. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of liking the RSIs right now. They tightened up on this 4-hour, just flipping into from the green to the red. Typically, many a time we'll see that when it gets up here, it's got time for more, like half more. Like it would make sense to me. This would make sense if it came up for, you know, half this length, so like about this long, or half of this time wise. So how long is that? 7 days, or half of that 3 days. So now that doesn't mean for the next 3 days the price is only going one direction, and that is somehow slowly up. Not once price will zag down to the downside for 3 days, okay? But whatever happens, as it goes up and down, hopefully 3 days from now, I believe, hopefully, price would be greater than it is today. Yeah, Black Friday was fucking crazy. You guys blew me away with sales and had a couple emails of people saying it that one guy's like, you ended Black Friday like 6 hours early on the Monday night. You know, I'm like, bro, listen, there's 100 different times. I said it 11:59. What are they doing? PST, California. At 11:59 p.m. California time Monday night, that shit was over. So I'm sorry if you were in Nova Scotia and you still had 4 hours left and you didn't make the cut. But if there's a couple stragglers, I would suggest you email support and say, I'm a desperate fuck. I didn't take advantage of the Black Friday shitter Monday deal. It's gone on the website now. Would you still honor it for me? And maybe they'll let you get away with it this week. You could tell Crypto Face said you could. But yeah, man. Hey, I mean, look at the big grandma turtle. mama turtle, baby turtle, you know? And it's hard, you know, listen. By the way, shout out to everyone who voted for me at the Miami conference. Fuck, we won an award. Shit. It's probably not that big of a deal, but it's a big deal to me. I've never been I've never entered myself in any circle jerk nomination type of thing. Didn't enter myself on this one either, but I'm glad some of you guys did, and we won. Let's go. Thanks for voting. I didn't even know that event was going on until like the day before. Everyone's like, "Are you going to Miami? Are you in Miami?" I'm like, "For what? What the fuck?" I didn't hear about it. This is a pretty entry right here. I'm telling you, folks. This week, any trade I'm in that didn't profit, especially this one right now, I feel bad about it because I wanted to give a good entry to my people. But when I say entered the trade, went to the little boy's room to wipe my keister, tried to get some coffee, come back here and bada bing, bada boom. You know, your boy has a knack for getting it in right before the action sometimes. But you know what? I don't feel bad. You know why? Because you don't need me. You don't need me. In fact, if anything, relying on me for a signal is only going to be a hindrance because I'm going to let you down. Trust me. Yeah, market cipher's all you need, man. But this was, you know, when we had, you know, we're on the 4-hour, this rejection, we had this sell-off, right? And when it starts to curve, man, when you have this trigger wave to our anchor wave, and also a nice fatty green dot to back it up, tighter money flow. My buy order probably kickstarted it. I think you're right. I'm pretty sure we can take credit for this. We manipulated the market by 2.5%. That's what we're going to say. We're putting that in the title. I manipulated the price 2.5% to the upside. Prove me wrong. No, I didn't do it this time. Yeah, I will say bull market as a I mean, overall it's easier to trade, but also, you know, when you have a few thousand people that I feel like are flopping and groping, and they're probably not even flopping and groping, you know, I flop and grope for my people, you know what I'm saying? So different environment, you know what I'm saying? To be honest, it's better that I haven't been putting out signals. To be honest, it's better that I haven't. You teach a man to fish, he can fish. Let's take a look. Man, I wanted to, dude, you know, I wanted to long ETH, dude. ETH have a good pump too? It looks like it did. I was looking to enter an Ethereum trade with some of this other money too. Son of a gun. Now the question is it too late to enter now? Let's not kid ourselves. That's the question everybody wants to know. Is it too late to enter? No, it's not. Fuck it. No, it's not too late. Just kidding. That was a joke. Probably not. Let's take a look at the bigger picture. The bigger picture. Beautiful trick. This is steep. I'm telling you, we might have something here, folks. I don't think it might not be too late. Now, she might have to come down and come down again a little bit, but I think it might not be too late. But I don't want to get too caught up in this hype. But the price is low. We got a lot of time to go. We got at least 2 more years of this bear market shit. Like, it can't just keep fucking going down. It's got to come up. And listen, all the pony boys are going to be talking about this little head and shoulders right here. The Karate Kid looking motherfuckers are going to be talking about this head and shoulders right here. What's up, Billy? You've been waiting for this pop for 90s. I'm telling you, man, it's been a patient. It's a patient man's game. Listen, when you know the future, trading off a leading indicator is different than trading off of lagging. It's not, instead of waiting for what you want to happen, you have to be patient. It's different. It's different. And it probably didn't make much sense, but it should make sense. Trading off of leading, when you're given the answer, but you have to wait. That's just how it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, like if you're, a friend, one of your best friends is terrible with women and he's going on a blind date, but you know who the chick is, and you're just like, man, you're fucked. And that chick's going to want nothing to do with you. You know what's going to happen, but you got to wait to hear about what happened. And they have to go on the date and do the dance. He's got to step on her toes. People are so used to EMA averages and moving averages. And, Bitcoin was at 30,000. I'm pretty sure when everyone's important moving averages finally crossed to the downside, it was down 50%. Yet, we're calling 64K top forever at 50, 55. Now, best case scenario, I don't think we go. I don't think we'll see 20K. My guess is we do not see 20K. But if we just look what it's been doing. Just look at the data. Look at the data. You know, maybe best case scenario is it maybe, you know, you have your moving average line here, maybe it comes up and, you know, does something like that. And then shit hits the fan more. Look at the data. Weekly. You know what's funny, man, is I tell you, everyone's still ringing them bottom bells. They're going to say that this is probably the bottom all the way down, like they did at 40K, like they did at 30,000. At 30,000, remember 30,000 was supposed to be the bottom? They said we would never even touch 20,000 because the swing high has never been a swing low and a balls in their mouth. Balls in their mouth. Now, don't forget, I'm pretty sure 9 out of 10 of these motherfuckers, many of them are my friends. Well, not many of them. Like 5 of them. They were saying 20. We would. No way. How dare you say? Dare you think that way, that we would go under 20K? It's never been back down to a swing high, swing low from its high to the low before. It's never happened before, they said. But they was wrong. And there's always a new chart, always a new graph, always a last time, this time, of why this is the bottom that we're at right now. The whole fucking way. You know, that is the danger. That is why everyone loses fucking money. It's not buying high and selling low. It's buying and listening to you assholes. And this week's latest and greatest, man, how many things have failed? How many the pie cycle shit, the wrong Stevenson pattern, wherever the fuck that pattern was. The Stevenson stupid ass pattern. That was wrong. God, there's so many else wrong. I'm forgetting them all. There's been 6 charts and patterns and bullshit theories that have all been wrong, that everyone's been trying to use every single step down, saying that this is the bottom and Bitcoin's going up from there the whole fucking way down. The whack-off pattern, that's what it was. The rainbow chart, broken. Stock to flow, dead. Whack off, dead. Pie cycle bullshit. You know what we found out about the pi cycle shit? They just made that shit up a fucking year and a half ago. Or 2 years ago. And everyone's preaching about it like it's like it's something that's been used in standard markets. They literally made the pi cycle chart off of the Bitcoin top and bottom, and they're still fucked it up. You know what chart hasn't led us wrong yet? A ver. Otra vez. Rodríguez. Yeah, the truth is it's not this is why, in my opinion, I think my money, I think your money, our money is far too valuable to not track what the money's actually doing with this trading bullshit, with the price action. I don't care what shape, what pattern, what algorithm you think you have. If you don't have solid ways of tracking hard dollars and cents and what they're coming in and coming out in various measurements, and I'm not talking about the various measurements. If you're not tracking the money, then what the fuck are you doing here? I would never, hopefully, make an outrageous fucking trade just because the patty cake pattern showed up and it's got a 52% success rate according to some assholes on TV. Let's go. What's our stop loss? Oh, stop loss. War has nothing to do with Bitcoin's price action at 20K. Don't even try to go there, bro. Don't even try to go there. Oh, man. Look at this shit. Look at that. Bang. Ping. Pong. Look at these anchor to the trigger wave, to the lower and lower. Ooh. Now, my guess is, just looking at previous curvatures, they go up maybe halfway? They go up to halfway. So, if we're lucky, this will go to 18.5, and that's all we're going to get, and we're ecstatic. We're fucking ecstatic. So that's my guess. And that's the 3-day. That we're looking at the 3-day chart. And so we're going to fire off a barrel. We're going with 18.5. Where's the spiders? Great question. Let's go ahead and what time is it? Shit, what time is it? Okay. I have to leave here soon, guys. I got to leave here in literally like 10 minutes. And so that doesn't mean I can't be back later. I'm going to be gone for a few hours. Okay, here. We'll do this. I don't think it's going to make a difference, but yeah, we're in between the spiders here. In between the spiders here. We could add a couple more if we wanted to. I don't think it's really relevant right now. Looks like a bull trap to me. Every move you guys say, every move's a trap to you guys if you're on the other side, okay? Every move ends. Every move ends. Yeah, so we're going to see people are going to be talking about the Big Dipper. We got in hindsight, it's a little dipper, but it's a dipper. It's a dipper. It's a dipper. You're gonna see the measurement. You're gonna see what the hell? I'm having technical difficulties here. You're going to see this Head and Shoulders who take the neckline to the butt line. And, oh, what do you know? There you go, 18K. 18K, yippee-yo-ki-yay. 18, I'm thinking 18.5. That's the end, that's my projection for 3 to 7 days. What's today? Tuesday? I'm calling it by the end of the week. By the end of the week, from now to the end of the week, I'm thinking 18. I'm thinking 18.5. And that's it. That's all I got for you. We'll assess the situation once we get there. Other than that, I'm gonna get going. Hopefully, maybe I'll be back later.